How to order from Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can place an order in your Temu app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Temu application and get logged into your Temu account. Now in order to place an order, let's go ahead and choose a product. At this page, select your quantity and other color variation. Once you do so, tap on to add to cart. Now tap on shipping and tap on checkout. And at this page, enter your card details. Select your payment method first. Type in your card number, your expiration date, and your card CVV. Once you do all that, this is your final payment. Now tap on to submit order. Just like so, this is how you can place an order in your Temu app. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.